I just see her laying in a pool of blood. And it just shocked me because she just came in.
This had
4
to
or 5
freak you
minutes ago.
out too.
Yes,
This had
sir.
to
I
freak
was
you out,
shocked. So I grabbed my phone and I called 911.
Did you know what had happened at that point?
I had no idea what had happened. I'm trying to figure out, she just walked in the house.
But you called 911.
I called 911, sir.
Now, Mr. Brooks, you see this is pretty bad stuff. This is a bad injury, right?
Oh, yes, sir. I empathize with her.
And it was your nail gun,
Yes, sir. It was my.
your nail,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
her injury.
Absolutely.